Fans are in fine voice for this exhibition game. Though it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win. Well, let's see how the teams line up today. They're playing 4-1-2-1-2. This diamond-shaped midfield supports both defence and attack. Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward. And he's stayed onside. Oh, he shoots. His teammates swat him. And rightly so. Great stuff. Well, let's take another look at that. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. At the striker's feet. He's found an opening. This is menjadi. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Here's Kane. Here's Manolas. That's good link-up play. Good ball. Salah! Good catch by the keeper. This is menjadi. Good distribution. And he's onside here. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Oh, good block there. The ball is swung into the danger area. That's nicely played. Now it's Griezmann. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Not a good decision there. This could cost his team. He goes for goal, and they've equalised. Found the top corner with ease, and he gave the goalkeeper little chance. Cool finish, and here's the build-up to that great goal. And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now. Here's Manolas. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Here's Van Dijk. And he's back in possession. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Now Lukaku. Here's Kane. Optimistic effort. Confident goalkeeping. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to have their say. A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? It's time now for the second half of this match. Sends it off. Here's Van Dijk. Headed on. Salah. Salah! He should have been on target. Let's see that one again. Finds his teammate. That's good link-up play. And that clearance will lift the pressure. Oh, determined challenge there. And it's Ronaldo. Ronaldo! Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Passed well. Here's Kane. Tries a long shot. Good effort there. Tactical change here then. Good ball. Good distribution. He's headed the ball forward. Now it's Pogba. That's nicely played. Finds his teammate. That's a rash challenge there. And Salah with the free kick. It's a tactical change here then. Oh, so close. A chance to have a better look here. He can be punished for that mistake. And that's out for a goal kick. Played short by the keeper. That's good link-up play. Headed on. Now it's Pogba. And we're into stoppage time now. Here's Ronaldo. And it's Ronaldo. Oh, defending. Passed well. That's full time. We're all square. On to extra time and possibly penalties. Tactical change here then. Off we go again then for another 30 minutes of extra time. Salah. Here's Van Dijk. Volleyed forward. Good ball. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. Clear saves. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Confident pass. Switches play to the other side. Shoots! Listen, fantastic stop. Let's have a look at that one again. And it's opened up here. Is Lukaku. 15 minutes left to avoid the dreaded penalty shootout. Sends it forward. Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, confident defending. Volleyed on now. That was close. Not mentioned it there at all. Alisson collects. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. And it's cleared by Varane. Here's Mane. Extra time couldn't separate these two teams, so it will have to be decided by penalties. He saved it. Great reflexes. Nice finish. Oh, nice finish. Well taken penalty. Denied by the keeper. The goalie comes out on top. stopped it. Oh, good penalty. This penalty could well decide the shootout. And there we have it, so unlucky here. Have to wait until next season to try and get their hands on the cup. Oh, that's well over.